So I just made it to Berlin Airport, and some of you guys have wanted me to make a how to get to the city from Berlin Airport. It was actually pretty easy. One thing I should mention is that I never check any bags. At this point, just follow the exit signs until you reach the exit. Just walk straight through baggage claim if you're not claiming any bags. I never do, so I just keep going. Okay, look. So once you exit through baggage claim, you're not allowed to go back in. So once you're out of there, you're completely out of there. And you land on the level, the appropriate level, and you just look for the escalators that go down. There's signs everywhere. You can't miss it. There's like airport city signs. Head down one level to the airport city trains. You can buy yourself a ticket. Don't forget to look at the monitors to see the times, but the fax comes every 30 minutes anyway, so it's okay. So then you follow the airport city signs, and then when you get downstairs, you're actually going to see like a ticketing kind of booth past these double doors. You have to buy yourself a ticket to the city. You can use these red ticket machines to get a ticket, or you can walk into the booth itself if you're there on time before it closes. If you land late, you might not get to it, but don't forget to validate your ticket. Catch the fax train or the S9 all the way to Central Station. Details in my gay travel blog or my gay Berlin guide.